Right then guys, so it's been a little while since I did an update on the single seed potatoes for the single seed potato challenge 23, hosted by Steve Digwell over at Digwell Greenfingers. And no, that is not one of the potatoes for the challenge. However, these 5 here are, and they're not looking too great. So have a closer look at these 5. Plenty of weeds growing in them, but the actual potatoes haven't grown at all. This side seems to have died off. Never had any luck with any of the cuttings. That was my own fault though. And this is about as good as the potatoes have looked the whole time, except for whilst they were in the polytunnel early on. Just pull them weeds out. This one did die back, but it started to regrow. And even got Biro in there. That'll be Bobby. And we've even got a tomato growing in here. That'll be a volunteer from last year. This pot, same, it's dying back now. And got tomatoes growing in them. And loads of weeds. And exactly the same with this pot here. My only hope is this pot here has gone quite out of shape. Just hoping that it is actually potatoes that have done that. And you never know, just because the top growth isn't great, could still be something underneath. Right, so we've got these 5 here, and we've got a few more around the back, so I'll go and show you them now. Right then, so believe it or not, we've got a couple more up here. We've got this one here. This one doesn't look too bad. Foliage wise, starting to get some flowers on it now. So I'm just going to leave them on, let it do its thing. I can't see or feel anything around that. And then there's another 4 up here. This one completely died back a while ago now, and nothing's regrown, so I'm going to harvest that one today, just to give us an idea if there's going to be anything on any of the others. But this one you can see here also died back. Got a radish growing in that one. It's funny that, because I haven't shown any radishes yet. And another tomato. Another 2 tomatoes. And then one at the back here, it's completely been overtaken by bindweed, but I can see there is still foliage in and amongst that. So I'll try and get that cleared up, get that taken care of. And this one here doesn't look too bad either. But that's what I'll do, get the camera set up on a tripod, get the wheelbarrow around, and empty this one, see if there's anything in it. Don't hold much hope for it, but it's worth a try. Right then, so got the sieve, just in case there is anything in it. Bit of wishful thinking, I think. It's there anyway. So this was plant number 5. And like I said, this one died really early on, pretty much 2-3 weeks after putting it out. So not expecting anything in there at all. Right then, so that is it from the first pot. 1 rotten potato and 1 very small looking one. Just go give it a rinse, see what it looks like. Right then, so that's the potato, probably about the same size as what we started with, and same amount, a single potato. Well, hopefully the rest are a bit better than that. Like I say, this one did die off straight away. Right then, sorry about that guys, my camera stand just does not want to play ball today, but that is all we've harvested from our single pot today. But we've still got 9 or 10 of this to go, so hopefully between the rest of them there is something a bit better than that. Right, so that's going to be it for this one today guys. Quick update on the single seed potato challenge, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe drop me a comment below. Do my best to get back to every one of you, and bye for now.